Gold metallics and rich textures are sticking around this year like a party that never ends. And with a simply designed skirt, you can easily infuse the trend into your everyday style. So today, we're making a simple stretch straight skirt. Let's get started. You'll need 1.5 yards of stretch gold metallic fabric, elastic, your brother's sewing machine, a measuring tape, scissors, and pins. First, let's create a pattern using pattern paper. Or I like to use an old roll of wrapping paper with grid lines on the back. Now that's smart. Measure your waist, hips, and desired length. Add 1/2 inch on each side for seam allowance. Using half the size of the hip measurement, draw out your pattern. And at this point, you can determine the length too. I like to use the edge of the pattern paper as a guide, as it will eventually be used on the folded edge of the fabric. Pin the pattern on the fold of the fabric and cut 2 pieces. Next, with right sides of the fabric together, sew the side seams. Sew the elastic together at the ends with a 3/4 inch overlap. Pin the elastic around the outer edge of the waistline and zigzag stitch around. Be sure to stretch the fabric while you're sewing. Fold the elastic over and in to create the waistband and stitch in place. Using a blind hem stitch, finish your skirt to the desired length. Pair this shimmery skirt with an oversized sweater or bulky jacket and you're ready to go. And there you have it. This style can't be missed from any rockin' party or just a walk down the street. So let the shimmer of this trend blind you with delight and let the return of the disco era be a welcome one.